What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So I wanted to make a real quick video on this new trading bot that I'm testing out. Now, this trading bot is different. Okay, it's like a semi trading bot basically. So you got to be hands on with this one, and basically I'm gonna talk about how I'm using this trading bot. That way, if you're interested in this trading bot, you can use it how I'm using it, or you can copy my exact trades that I'm using, the strategy that I'm using with this trading bot, and you don't that way you don't have to be looking at charts all day or looking at stuff. But right now we up 400. We was up $900 in profit. I could have closed out at like around $900 if I wanted to, but I wanted to keep it open. But this is a demo. I'm testing this trading bot out on a FTMO demo account to see how this works. Okay, so now I will say that this will be getting in a lot of trade. Will be getting you in a lot of trades. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that right now, but in a good way. All right, it's gonna get you in a lot of trades, but in a good way, and especially if you're gonna use it like how I'm gonna be using it. So yeah, so these are the open trades right now so far. As you can see, I have a lot of blues. That's a good thing. You're gonna have some reds here. Like I said, I was almost up like $900. I could have closed it there. But yeah, I'm in 200 plus trades right now. I'm in 200 trades, and these trades are opening at 0.01. The reason why I have it at 0.01 is because of that. Because it can get you in a lot of trades. It can get you into 100 to 200 to 300, 400 trades total. So you don't want to have a high lot size with this trading buy. You want to keep it at 0.01 because you're going to be getting a lot of trades, especially if you're going to be using the trading bot on the 5 minute chart like how I'm using it. Now, if you're going to be using it on higher time frames, you'll get less trades. Then you can maybe up your lot size if you want to use it on a higher time frame. But right now, I'm using this trading bot on a 5 minute time frame. Okay, so that's that. But let's go ahead and show you guys exactly how I use this trading bot. I don't let this trading bot just I don't just turn this trading bot just to turn it on. All right, and like I said, this is semi managed. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go to our desktop here. So, oh yeah, well, first thing first, let me show you something real guys. Let me show you guys something real quick. Um, so this is the trading bot right here. Okay, so basically, can y'all see that? I don't think you can see that. Okay, okay, you can see it right now. So basically, this trading bot is semi managed. Okay, semi managed. So that means you just don't just turn this bot on just to turn it on. All right, you have to look at the higher time frames, see what type of market you're in. Are you in an uptrend or are you in a downtrend? And then you break it down to the 5 minute, 1 minute chart. Okay, so basically, before I got into those odd USD trades, I was on like the 4 hour, the daily, and I was just basically figuring out what type of trend are we in. Also, you can use a service or a platform called harmonic patterns. That way, you can figure out what patterns are on a certain pair, and you can go take turn the bot on based on where you're at when it comes to those patterns. But after you figure out what type of market you're in, like I said, are you in a downtrend or are you in an uptrend? After you find that out, you want to either press buy or sell. So if you are in a if you're looking at the higher time frame and you see that you're seeing higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher, like you're seeing that, then you want to trade with the trend. So you will click buy, and then the trading bot will only place buys on the pair that you select. It will not take any sales. It will only take buy. So, same thing with the sell button here. If you press sell, the bot will only get into sales. It won't get into no buys. Okay, and I kind of like this one because you kind of have control. All right. If you know, because sometimes EAs they get in the opposite direction and the market is going in another direction. So like let's say that you're using a trading bot and it's getting in sales, but the on the higher time frame it's telling you that you should be buying. So you have a little control on how to use this on when it comes to using this trading bot. Okay, so if you press the buy button, right? If you press the buy button, that means you're only going to be getting in buys. If you press the sell button, you're only going to be getting in sales. Okay. Now another thing, just to tell you guys, for each candle, like as I say, like for example, I'm in a buy on RUSD. So that means the trading bot will only get in buys, right? But I got it on the 5 minute chart. I got this EA on the 5 minute chart. So every candle that closes green, it will automatically get me in 3 trades at a time. All right. So every time a green candle closes, all right. For that means I got it on the 5 minute. I got it on the 5 minute. So that means every 5 minute, and if that candle is green, closed green, it's gonna automatically get me in 3 more trades. Same thing. Next 5 minutes, the candle closes green is going to get me in another 3 trades. Next 5 minutes, the candle closes green is going to get me in 3 more trades. That's why, I'm in a lot of trades right now. I'm in 200 trades right now. But like I said, it'll only get you in buy. So let's say that the EA closes red. The candle closes red. It's not going to get you in no trades. It only will get you in trades when the candle is green. Okay, same thing with sales. Let's say that I was in a sale, basically. If let's say that I was in a sale, for each 5 minute candle, if that candle closes red, it's going to get me in 3 sales. Now you have full control, when it comes to how many trades are you getting in at each candle close. You can get in at 4 trades after each candle close, or 5 trades, 10 trades. You have full control in the settings. I'm going to show you guys like that, but only if you're in buys, if you'll get in trades only if the candle closes green, and the same thing for sales. Okay, hope that makes sense. Okay, for each 5 minute candle, the candle closes green, it's going to get me in the buy. Now you can also have it on 1 minute. Now if you have the EA on the 1 minute chart, you're definitely going to get in. You're going to get in a lot of trades. Just be prepared if you're going to have the EA on the 1 minute chart. So that means instead of 5 minutes, every 1 minute candle that closes, let's say that I have the EA on the 1 minute when it comes to RUSD. That means every minute, every minute that the candle closes green, I'm going to get in 3 trades every single minute, every other minute. Because remember, if the candle closes red, it's not going to get me in the trade. Only going to get me in the buys only if the green candle closes. Okay, so hope that makes sense. But like you see what I'm saying? Like it's kind of, this trading bot is semi managed. Okay, so let me show you guys another thing here. Hope you guys can see this one here. Let me see. So these are the settings right here. I mean, it's not the whole settings, but this is just an example of the settings that you could have a global. You could have a global, global stop loss. You could have a global take profit. Let's say that you only you want the bot to take profit at 100 pips. You can set it up. You can set that up in the settings. When it comes to, you see where it says max loss pips or max profit, you'll just put the amount of pips and points on the amount of pips that you want to go for. So if you want to go for, let's say that you want to go for 100 pips, you'll put 1,000 points in the max profit pip section. Okay, that means whenever the bot reaches 100 pips, right, the bot will close all of your trades into profit. Okay, and the same thing with max loss. It's kind of like a global stop loss. So let's say that you want a 100 pip stop loss. All right, so that means whenever you go into 100 pips, whenever you hit the 100 pip stop loss, that means the bot will close all of your trades. Okay, so if you let's say that you want to go for a 100 pip stop loss, you'll put 1,000 points in that section at the max loss. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And then let's say that you want to pass a challenge, all right? You can use the close by balance and the close by balance loss. Okay, close balance profit or balance loss ratio. So if you you know that your challenge you can't go over 5% 5% loss of your account, then you'll put the that information in here. Or if you want to, let the bot run until you pass the challenge, you'll just put the percentage. Let's say that your challenge you need to do 10%. You'll put that in the let's say that you need to reach 10%. You'll put that in the balance profit ratio trigger or close by balance profit. You turn that on and you put the balance profit ratio to trigger. You'll put 10%. All right. All you need to do is just divide 10% by 100, and you'll get those points to put into that section. But I'm not gonna go into too much details on the settings because I don't want to confuse you guys. But I just wanted to tell you that you have full control when it comes to the settings. You have full control on how many trades for the bot to take. You have full control of everything. All right. Like I say, if you want to use this to pass your challenge, you can have it at a certain point where if it hits 4% in drawdown, right, you can have the bot to close all of your trades because most challenges you can't go over 5%. So you can have the bot stop it, have like a equity stop loss or whatever, where you can have the bot close all of your trades so you can live to trade another day. But same thing with the profit, the target. Okay, but yeah. So I hope that makes sense. But I'm just letting you guys know you have full control when it comes to this trading bot. Okay. But if you do decide to get it or decide to copy my trades or whatever, or decide to use this EA, I'll help you and walk you through the settings. I'll also probably make more videos on each settings, but or I'll just send you guys the videos that came with this bot, so you can watch those videos, so you can understand how to use the settings according to your account. Okay. All right. So hope that's clear. Now, oh yeah. Let me go back here. So you see this right here. Also, like, let's say that you're happy with the amount of profit that you're currently in, right? Let's say that you're in 200 trades, right? Instead of you closing out 200 trades one at a time, once close this trade, hold and press and close that trade, go to the next trade, close that trade, go to the next trade, close that trade, go to the next trade, close. You have a close all button right here. Okay, you have a close all button that you can click. So if you're happy with the profits that you're seeing, or the current profit that you're in, you can click close all. You can literally click the close all button, and it will literally close all of your trades just like that. Let's say that you're in 400 trades, 500 trades, 1,000 trades. If you click that close all button, all of your trades will be closed out. Okay, so hope that makes sense. And like I said, again, you don't have to, according to the settings, like, you don't really have to get in this many trades. You can, like, cause like I said, I have the EA on the 5 minute chart. So every 5 minute, if the candle closes green, right? If the candle closes green, it's gonna get me in 3 trades, another 3 trades, another 3 trades, another 3 trades. That's why I'm in 200 trades. Let's say that you want to lower the amount of trades that you want to get in. You can go in and set. There's something in the set. Matter of fact, you see the where it says trade per signal. You can change that. You can change that where it says trade per signal. You see I have it at 3. That means I'm getting in three trades at a time every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes I'm getting in 3 trades if the candle closes green. You can change that to 1. So every 5 minutes, if the candle closes green or red or whatever direction you're going in, every 5 minutes you'll get in only 1 trade. So you don't have to get in these many trades. All right, I'm just letting you guys know you have full control of this. Okay. But yeah, you can right now I have it at 3. You can have it at 4. You can have it at 5. You can have it at 10. It's up to you. The more trades that you get in, the more riskier. Okay. All right, so that's that. So um let me see. So yeah, so right now we are you know, the market is pulling back right now when it comes to the trades that I'm in right now, but that's okay. I'm testing it out. But I'm gonna show you guys the reason why I got into the IUSD trade. Okay, like I said, I was already up like 900. I could have closed. I could have hit the close all button, but I didn't because I wanted to show you guys. I might show you guys in a minute on how this works when it comes to close all button. Okay, so main setup. Let me go to it real quick. Let me show you guys. So let me show you guys the reason why I got into IUSD trade. So if you look at the 4 hour here, right? Now we are kind of in a downtrend, all right, just to be honest with you. But the reason why I got in is because, and I got in like down here somewhere. All right, I got in down here somewhere. I got in because, and I had drew my Fibonacci retracement tool, so I know the market went all the way down here. I know the market had to pull up into one of these reversal zones, right? These fib levels. I have the 38.6. You have the 23.6 here. You have the 38.6 here. You have the 50% level here. The 61.8 fib level here. So price can tap into any one of these levels and like reject these levels and then go back into a downtrend, which is rejecting is right now is rejecting the 38.2 fib level here. So that's these levels are reversal zones. So I knew, me getting in trade down here, I knew price is either gonna reject the 23.6 or the 38.6 or the 50% or the 61% or the 78%. I knew that it was gonna reject one of those levels. So that's the reason why. Now we are in a downtrend. I'm just letting you guys know that I shouldn't be really buying, but I really wanted just to get in for a short term buy and wait for price to reach one of these levels and reject one of these levels. And price is rejecting these levels right now. Hopefully, price can reject this weekly zone here because price could come back down and reject this zone right here and continue to go up. But it has a more possibility to go down, to come down, break this zone, retest, and continue to go down because we are in a downtrend. All right, at the moment, if you're looking at the 4 hour, we are in a downtrend. All right, as you can see, we broke these levels here. We are in a downtrend, so it's pull back up to create a lower high. So this might be this might be that lower high that it creates. Okay. But I just wanted to, like I said, I'm testing the bot out, but I wanted to get in the short term. I really wanted the price to come all the way up to the 61.8, but like I said, price doesn't have to respect that. Price can come to the 23. Price could have came up to the 23.3, 20 point, I think it was, yeah, the 23 level here and reject that and then continue to go down. Or it could, like what it did now, it could reject the 38.6 2 fib level here and then start going down. But that's one of the reasons why. And then also there's a platform called Harmonic Pattern, like harmonicpattern.com. If you go there, and I might leave a link in the description box below. That way you can go ahead and maybe create an account if you're interested in this. But let me see. This is like a platform that shows you different types of patterns in the market. As you can see, if I click on the settings, you're able to select the time frames that you want to see what type of patterns that are forming on certain pairs. You can uncheck it if you want or whatever. You have full control of this. Okay, and then also if you want to watch only certain pairs, you can just put in the certain pairs that you want to watch, or if you want to look at majority of all the pairs, currency pairs, you can just click on the forex majors. But that's that. But harmonic pattern will show you different types of patterns. All right. Right now, not too long ago, you got a pattern formed on GBP USD. If I click on this, right, you can see this pattern is called a cipher pattern. Okay, it's a harmonic pattern. Okay, and they like the cool thing is that they give you the entry and the targets. Now, does it always hit the targets? No. Sometimes it hits stop loss. They also give you the entry, the stop loss, and the target. Okay, so literally, if you wanted to take this, if you're going to be using proper risk management, you could get in a trade at the entry level right here, and have your TP up here and use the stop loss. All right, so they give you the cool thing about harmonic pattern. They give you the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. Okay. So yeah, so if you're gonna be using, like I said, if you're gonna be using this trading bot, you want to turn the bot on, either press buy or sell based on a support and resistance, or supply and demand zone, or if you see a pattern on the pair that you are looking at, you can get in and turn the trading bot based on the position that or based on the pattern that's on the pair that you're trading. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so if you need, like, if you don't want to figure out your supply and demand zones or whatever, you can literally use this platform to see what type of pattern is forming, because when it comes to harmonic pattern, they'll literally give you the support and resistance, supply and demand zone, and the patterns, okay, that's forming. Okay, and the reason why I'm gonna show you guys one of the reasons why I took the IUSD trade. Let me see if I can find it. It's probably way back here. I think it's this. Was it this one? Yeah. So as you can see, this pattern formed. This is called the crab pattern. This formed on the 1 hour chart, as you can see here. The reason why I got in on that is because I got in based off right here. I got in like right here, and my target, I wanted to ride this trade, ride the price up to this target right here. Okay. Now, like I said, will it, like, if by you using harmonicpattern.com, is it always going to hit target? No. Things might change. All right. And to be honest with you, there was the reason why I went down. Let me show you how. The reason why I went down, because remember, I was up $900. I could have closed out. I could have closed this out at $900 in profit, but I didn't close it. The reason why this went down is because there was some news that happened. It wasn't major, but as you can see right here, can I click on it? Yeah. I don't know if I can click on it, but you see, let me show you guys something. Let me show you. So as you can see, there was some news on pending home sales. All right, the data that came out for the pending home sales, right? Right. As you can see my mouse, right? Hope y'all can see my mouse. So there's some data that came out not too long ago at 10 a.m. Eastern for pending home sales. That came out kind of good. That data came out kind of good. So of course, if we're trading IUSD, all right, if we're trading IUSD, then it's gonna affect the pair that I'm trading when it comes to IUSD, because this is a US data that came out. US data that came out for the US dollar. Pending home sales came out good. All right. So that's going to affect the pair that I'm trading right now when it comes to IUSD. So if this is, came out good, that means the dollar is going to shoot up a little bit more. The dollar is going to shoot up. And then the odd USD, the odd Australian dollar is going to go down. Okay. But, you got to pay attention to this. You got to look at the markets. You got to look at what's going on, what type of data that's coming out, because, data for a certain currency can affect the trades that you're in. Okay, but I'm confident. I'm confident that price will go back up. Like I said, I have a zone right here. Anyways, I have a weekly, previous weekly low zone right here. So, you know, I feel like price might come back down a little bit more, reject this area, and then possibly touch one of these fib level, and then go back down because remember on the higher time frame we are in a downtrend. But I feel like price is gonna reject reject this previous weekly low here, come back up a little bit more, maybe to the 50% fib level or the 61 fib level, or even the 78.6 fib level, and then start going back down. Okay, because we are in a downtrend, so price might come back up. I even have a zone right here, as you can see right here. I have a zone right here, so price might come back up, reject this level here, and come back up and touch this level here, and then start going back down. So, is it going to happen like that? You never know. It might break this and create a new higher high, which is going to go in my favor because right now I'm in buys right now for odd USD. Okay, but the cool thing, the thing that I like about this trading bot is that you have a little control of it. Instead of you just letting a trading bot just do whatever it does, not paying attention to news or the bot EA can do so much. I mean, it's good to to automate things, but sometimes you know if you got the bot on and certain things happen in the world or certain things happen in the market when it comes to data, that can mess up the trading bot. This right here, you have a little control. You know what I'm saying? So if you see that if you see on the higher time frame that you should be buying, then all you got to do is just click on buy, and the bot will be just getting in only buys. All right. If you feel like the market should be selling based on the higher time frames, or based off of your support and resistance, supply and demand zones, you click on the sell button. That's it, and the bot will only get in sales only. Okay. So you have a little control of this instead of just letting the trading bot just trade whatever strategy it is doing, or because like I said, when it comes, there might be certain data that came out for that certain currency that might mix things up, or it might affect it. So yeah, but like I said, guys, if you guys want to copy my exact trades, because like I said, I do mark up my, before I even look at the chart, before I even turn the bot on, I'm looking at the market, I'm looking at my supply and demand zones, I'm looking at certain things in the market, Fibonacci retracement, zones, support and resistance, and then I also come to the harmonicpattern.com platform and see what type of patterns that are forming. And by the way, this is this is $20 a month. So if you want to use harmonicpattern.com, it's $20 per month. You'll be able to get this platform. Like I said, it'll give you all types of patterns. Okay. Um, let's say that you're looking at Euro Chef, right? If you're looking at, well, Euro Chef look like it already hit stop loss. Look like yeah, look like it already hit stop loss here. Okay. Looks, because like I said, it's not always gonna, like, look at this. It tapped the stop loss and then now it's going down. So if your stop loss is a little bit higher, usually what I do is if if I see the stop, if I'm using harmonic.com, harmonicpattern.com, and I see a stop loss, I usually put my stop loss a little bit above the stop loss. I put it up a little bit about stop loss because sometimes it get hits. All right, get hit, and then once it get hit, then it'll start going in the direction that planning on for it to go to. Okay. Um, take a look at GBP USD. It says it has a triple top. So there was a triple top pattern right here on GBP USD on the 5-minute chart, and they gave you the entry, they gave you your stop loss, and they gave you the target. Okay. Um, yeah, it's a decent platform. It's a decent platform. There is a double top on the 5-minute on IUSD. They give you the entry, the target. You know, if you wanted to take a trade, a 5-minute. This is based on the 5-minute, so you could take a trade right here all the way to here. It's not gonna be that many pips. Let me see how many pips that is. If you took right here, I think it was about 161 pips. Yeah. But yeah, you can play around with this. If you're a type of person that wants something that can tell you where you should be getting in at based on these patterns, then you can use this platform. It's only $20 per month. Um, yeah, I mean, here's another pattern right here. This is called a bat pattern. Okay. This is based on the 30-minute chart. So they give you your entry right here. You can get in anywhere in this box. All right, you can get in right on the blue line, or you can get in anywhere on in this box. What I would do is I would wait for a bullish engulfing to form here and then get in for a trade. Wait for a bullish engulfing, like get in on the close and then ride it up to to TP1. They give you TP1 and give you TP2, and then I'll have my stop loss like a little bit below the stop loss. That way, if prices come down and wick to the stop loss, then I won't get wicked out. You know what I'm saying? And then it's stuck because like I said, some majority of the time, price can hit your stop loss and then wick and hit your stop loss and then start going in the direction that you want to go in. But I usually put my stop loss either above the stop loss or a little bit below the stop loss. That way, I don't get stopped out. Um, but yeah, that's about it, guys. Let's see where we at right now. Okay, we at 4. We at 3. Y'all can't see that, can y'all? No, y'all can't see that. I don't know why this is not moving. But anyways, look like it's frozen. But right now, what I'm looking at, we're at $400 in profit still. So we're still up a decent amount. Like I said, I was up like 900, but we went back down to like 400, which is okay because, you know, I feel like price is gonna go back up a little bit more before it starts. Cause I think price is gonna reject this zone here. Price might come back up here to this zone. Maybe. I'm not saying it will. Maybe, but if price it breaks this level or break this zone, then I might just go ahead and click the close all button. But we're deep in profit, so nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about to be really because I'm deep in profit. So if price breaks this level here, I'm good. Yeah. But with that being said, guys, if you're interested in this EA, let me know. If you're interested in copying the exact trades that I take from this EA to automatically to your account, so you don't have to. If you don't want to look at harmonicpattern.com or these patterns, or you don't want to look for support and resistance, supply and demand zones, you want me to do all the work for you, I can do that for you. And these trades that I'm in right now, currently, those same trades can be copied over to your account hands free. All right. So with that being said, I'm Andre Ketna here from West Palm Beach, Florida. If you got value from this, let me know in the comments. If you want access to this, let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and get you set up. So with that being said, I'm out of here. See you guys on another video. Take care, y'all.